The Book of Psalms, Tehillim, chapter 116. I love YAHUAH because he has heard my voice, my pleas. Because he has inclined his ear to me, and I shall call throughout my days. The cords of death were around me, and the pains of Sheol came upon me. I found distress and sorrow. Then I called upon the name of YAHUAH. O YAHUAH, I pray to you. Deliver my being. YAHUAH shows favor and is righteous, and our Elohim is compassionate. YAHUAH guards the simple. I was brought low, but he saved me. Return to your rest, O my being, for YAHUAH has treated you well. For you have delivered my being from death, my eyes from tears, my feet from falling. I shall walk before YAHUAH in the land of the living. I have believed, for I speak. I have been greatly afflicted. I said in my haste, all men are liars. What shall I return to YAHUAH? All his bounties are upon me. I lift up the cup of deliverance and call upon the name of YAHUAH. I pay my vows to YAHUAH now in the presence of all his people. Precious in the eyes of YAHUAH is the death of his lovingly committed ones. O YAHUAH, I am truly your servant. I am your servant, the son of your female servant. You have loosed my bonds. I slaughter you a slaughtering of thanksgiving and call upon the name of YAHUAH. I pay my vows to YAHUAH in the presence of all his people, in the courts of the house of YAHUAH, in your midst, O Jerusalem. Praise Yah.